strongly urge the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to release the pending salaries of the 11 months of all venture school teachers within this month, so that all the teachers enjoyed their own legitimate.
Batai si slogan hang pon kipen KSA long live, long live, long live, long live. People say long live, long live, long live. Go back, go back. Dr. Rimango Bisosama, go back. Go back, go back. Dr. Rimango Bisosama, go back. Go back, go back. Education Minister, go back. Go back, go back. Education Minister, go back. Go back, go back. BJP, go back. Go back, go back. BJP, go back. Go back, go back. Go back, go back.
Under the initiative of Karbi Students Association District Diphu District Committee, today we launched a sit-in demonstration for 2 hours to show our strong resentment over the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for non-payment of salaries for the teachers of all venture schools under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. We have intimated repeatedly to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to pay the pending salaries of all teachers of the venture schools of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, but they always pay a very lackadaisical attitude towards our plea. So this makes the Karbi Students Association bound to sit for 2 hours demonstration in protest against that one. So from this platform, we strongly urge the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to release the pending salaries of the 11 months of all venture school teachers within this month, so that all the teachers enjoyed their own legitimate rights. And from this platform, I just want to tell the entire people of Karbi Anglong that we are doing this, we are launching this movement not in the name of movement. We are launching this movement for fighting our own legitimate rights, specifically for our teachers, because the teachers are like our parents. The teachers gives us knowledge, the teachers gives us everything that we get how to become a very good person in this society. So we appeal all the people of Karbi Anglong to cooperate us in the days to come. If our demand is not fulfilled, we are going to launch more democratic movement in the days to come, and we hope that the people of Karbi Anglong will definitely cooperate us in solving these problems.